membership at holylessons.com for access to this complete tutorial and many more today.
Yeah, hi guys. Holy Lessons coming at you once more. So, we have a beautiful song today. Our God, performed by Jonathan Nelson, and this is basically a medley of 3 songs. Our God is greater. There is no God like Jehovah, and how great is our God. So, if that's okay, stay with me and let's do this. Okay. I'm so excited, and I believe you are all excited as well. So we'll get it into it right away. So songs in the key of D major. Okay. So first of all, we as usual, we'll get to know our major scale in the key of D. So you have a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, and a 1. Okay. So again, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7, and then the 1. Okay. So I'll take it song by song, just like how you watched it in the play along video. Okay. So we started with our grader, but first of all, I'll start the intro. Okay, and take it from there. So the intro is pretty simple, really basic. So you start off with a guitar and a piano playing this melody. Okay, really simple stuff. So okay, and then the whole song starts. What are you turning to on? Okay, so quickly, it's a D. This is a D, an A, and a D again, and then now a G to a G flat. Okay, basically that's all. So we are playing it in octaves. G, G flat. So now we go to the intro chords, which is a 3, 4, and a 5, 6. Okay. So on the 3 here, I have a G flat and D flat on my left, and on my right I have E, A, and D flat. Okay. And then from there to the 4. So on the 4 I have a G on my left and a D, and on my right I have G major chord, which is the same as the 4 of D. So I have G, A, B, and D. Okay. And then 5 to the 6. So on the 5 here, I have a regular E major over A. So I have A. And on my left, on my right, I have E, A, and D flat. And I have a G suspended 2 here. So I have on my left here I have B, and on my right here I have G, A, and D. Okay. So together, water you turned into wine, open the eyes of the blind. There's no one like you. Okay. Not like you. And then the band comes in with this punch.